All right, what's up YouTube? It's Jacking Things and I'm back. In today's video, I'm about to show you guys how to properly warm up your car. I drive a V8 Dodge Charger RT, but this can be applied to any car. Pretty soon here, dealers are gonna stop producing like the V8 engines in our cars. Everyone's going hybrid and stuff. So I just really want to bring something to help with the longevity. I don't know how to say the word. Just to help you guys keep your cars running as long as possible. This bird keeps coming back. I don't know if you guys saw it in my other video, if I edited it out, but this fucking like bird just loves my car, and it's obviously the one that keeps shitting because there's only shit on that side of the car. So like, why is my car your toilet, you little fucker? So I'm gonna show you guys how to properly warm up your car. I'm not a mechanic or anything, so take everything I say with a grain of salt, and this is for educational purposes only. I'm not telling you to do this type of way in your car. I'm telling you and showing you guys what I do. So my oil temp is at 69 degrees Fahrenheit. Operating temp is about 190 to 220 degrees. So basically, warming up your car is the process of getting that low temperature to operating temp, and that could take anywhere between a few minutes to like 20 to 30 minutes from what I've been told. I showed you guys how to check your oil temp. There might even be another way to check your oil temp in here as well. Let's see. The oil temp is 69 degrees. There's two things to pay attention to when you're warming up your car, and that is the oil temp, and if you don't have an oil temp gauge for whatever reason, you could pay attention to like the idle exhaust sound of the car. Like basically, from a cold start, your car is a lot louder. So the car, on the inside of the car, on the outside of the car is just louder. You'll hear the car. You can wait until that louder cold start exhaust comes down, and then that's when I would say it's okay to drive the car. Let's do it. I'm not gonna lie, my car is loud, but it's a lot louder when it's cold. It's not straight piped, I just have a mid muffler delete. So when I cold start it, it sounds like the car is straight piped. But when the idle comes down, it sounds as quiet as it's supposed to, or as it normally is. So we'll keep the gauges up on here. Oil temp's at 71 already. And the initial idle just came down. I don't know if you could tell. It's still pretty loud, but it's a lot quieter. It was all up in my ears. I would say this part of warming up the car doesn't really take more than like 30 seconds to a minute. I hear arguments on both sides that, yeah, you should let your car sit there and warm up for 10-15 minutes, let it warm up fully, or that letting it warm up for about a minute or so until the idle comes down is all you need to do, because you're just wasting gas at that point. I'm no expert, I'm no mechanic, so take that however you want to, but this is what I do. The second part of warming up the car is, now that the car is, I guess, okay to drive, but you don't want to drive it hard at all. You want to drive it easy. So I have my car set to track mode because I like it loud, but when my car is still warming up, I don't drive in track mode. I drive in auto mode, which I have set up to go into eco. So yeah, one more extra step beyond that. So basically, this next step is to just drive your car until you hit operating temp, and that is about 190 to 220. So at least 190, around in that area. Don't drive your car, don't red line, don't get your RPMs high. The time of me leaving is 11:17, so by the time we get to 190. That'll be about the time it takes to warm up. Now we just hit operating temp, which is 190, and it only took 10 minutes. So now feel free to go crazy. Put the car in track mode, crack the windows.
2 seconds later.
We're back. It took about 10 minutes of driving and about 1 to 2 minutes of letting the car sit there and warming up. So I would say in total 10 to 15 minutes is what it should take to properly warm up your car. And if this video helped you guys out, please leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe if you're not subscribed, because you will miss future uploads if you're not subscribed, and you don't want to miss those because I drop bangers consistently. So yeah, that being said, I'll be heading out. I have work, and yeah, I don't know, I got work. I'm not happy about it.